So hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video we're going to be talking all about making money on YouTube as a startup creative. Now, if you're a YouTuber who just started off with creating content, you're probably wondering, when would I finally start making money on YouTube? So in this video I'm going to be explaining all of that to you, as well as guiding you through this process. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then you definitely do want to keep on watching. So first of all, in terms of making money off YouTube, there are tons of ways and avenues for you to make money through YouTube and on YouTube. But for this content, for this video purpose, I'm going to be talking strictly about Google AdSense, because this is where primarily every YouTuber makes money from, right? Google AdSense, the ads that plays on every video we upload. Now, with regards to when you're going to start making money on YouTube, I want to say that it differs from one person to another, and there are no set durations, targets, or timeline to when that is going to happen. But I do want to say that there is a set policy to being monetized and to joining the YouTube partnership program. And if you are a startup YouTuber, a startup creator on YouTube, you should know that by now that you are required to have a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time, as well as 1,000 subscribers, in order for you to qualify and then get monetized and then join the YouTube partnership program. Now, with regards to getting monetized and passing that threshold and really understanding the YouTube algorithm, I do have a couple of videos on that, just in case you guys are interested. You could watch that after this video. I'll put it up here in the card so you guys can always find it when you're done with this video. So after you've joined the YouTube partnership program, you are ready to start making money. You are set to start making money. I do want to say that you are not put on any fixed salary, and it doesn't depend on how many subscribers you have or how many subscribers you've accumulated. How much you're going to be making is dependent on you and a couple of other external factors. So I do want you to put in mind that your input is going to totally affect the output you're getting. So the input you're putting into your channel, the content, the consistency, the hard work, all of that, it's going to directly affect the output you're getting. So the amount of money you're getting, the subscribers you're getting, and how fast you're growing. So always put that in mind, that the more you put in, the more you're going to get out of it. You're going to be making money from the views that you're getting. To be more specific, from the estimated monetized playback, and that is how many people had watched the ads on your content. So you're not making money from the subscribers or whatever else it is. It is totally dependent on the views and the monetized views, to be more specific. So put that in mind. The more views you get, the more likely you're going to make more money. So the more content you're putting out, the more you're going to get out of it, hopefully. Your input is going to affect the output and the outcome of your income. So everything is dependent on you as a creator, not on your friends, not on the next person, not on YouTube, but on you. Because again, there are a lot of people doing the same thing you're doing, and there are a lot of people also killing it. So you have to put that in mind and know that you determine how much you are going to make on YouTube. If you want to make $10,000 this month, it is 100% possible, but again, you determine how that works. So now you're going to be getting paid based on the total views you're getting per month. So again, what you're making in January may not be the same thing as what you make in February, March, April, May. In order for you to get that money, that physical cash deposited to your account or check or whatever instructions you've given to your AdSense account, you need to also reach the $100 or £60 minimum threshold in order for YouTube, for Google to actually pay that money into your personal account, into a check, whatever it is. You need to have $100 or £60 equivalent. Basically, it's not a one-time thing. YouTube is a consistent thing, so you need to be putting in the work every single month in order for you to grow, to make money, and to make more money as you grow. Now, I do want to say that if you want to be cashing out every single month as a new YouTuber, as a startup YouTuber, you actually want to start receiving checks, you want to start receiving deposits into your account, you need to be having a minimum of at least 50,000 views every single month. Again, this might vary for you. You might be needing 55,000 views or even 40,000 views. But again, I want you guys to have that 50K as your monthly view target. You can do more. Doing more is even better. But if you want that check to come into that bank account, then you need to be having minimum of 50,000 views on average, right, guys? So I just want to take a look at my analytics so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about and why I'm using 50,000 as an average. So if you guys can see my analytics, I'm arranging this in terms of views. So you can see that sometime in June last year, I got 40,000 views and that earned me $129. Sometime in November, I got 40,000 views as well, and it earned me $185 again. So what you're earning one month is totally going to be different from the next month, even though you have the same exact views. Depends on the CPM, which also the CPM depends on different other factors. So in December, I had 40,000 views and I earned $186. You can see that my CPM for December and November are slightly the same. However, my CPM for June, where I earned $126 for the same amount of views, you can see that it's $8. So your CPM definitely plays a role with how much you're making. So it's almost impossible for someone to tell you this is when you're going to start making money and this is how much you're going to be making, because with YouTube, everything is subjective to from one person to another, from one channel to another. No two channels makes the same exact money. No two persons make the same exact money. On YouTube, you might make the same exact money your corporate job, amazing, but on YouTube, everything is subjective to you as a creator and to the kind of content you put out and also other external factors. So I'm using 50,000 views per month as the average that you should aim for. Obviously, you need to aim higher, but I'm using that, keeping in mind that the average CPM for most channels usually run between $3 to $5. That's like the average, the minimum, like $3 to $5. So if your CPM is $5 and you're getting an average of 50,000 views every month, it means that you probably would be paid out somewhere around $120 to $140. So at least you're exceeding that minimum monthly threshold and you're getting paid. Always aim higher, guys. Aim higher, but that should always be your minimum if at all you want money to enter your bank account. If you want to start making money on YouTube, you need to start putting out content, a lot of content, and those content should help you get monetized, should help you reach the threshold and to get subscribers and to finally join the YouTube partnership program, right? So the work doesn't end there. You still need to put in a lot of work. Like I said previously, the input affects the output, so you still need to put in a lot of work in order to continue making money on YouTube. So through AdSense though, because there are different ways that you can make money on YouTube, but we're focusing on AdSense in this video. So you should always make sure that you're making and you're getting at least 50,000 views per month on your channel in order to at least get paid. Okay, if you're someone who wants to start making money on YouTube and you're probably wondering, when would I start finally making money? What do I need to do? Well, this is what you need to start doing. You need to put out more content, you need to get more views. I need to hit all those milestones, the monetization milestone as well as a monthly threshold target as well. That is it. Just create content. Don't stop creating. Your inputs affect your output. So the more work you put into it, the more results you're going to get out of it. And that is just how life is in general. The more you study, the more you read, the more you're going to get better grades. The more you put in work in your corporate job, the more you're going to get noticed, the more you're going to be appraised positively and probably get that promotion. The more you put in work in your YouTube channel, the more you grow and the more you make more money. That is just the life. That's just life. That's just like the basic life lesson, right? So yeah, definitely there are months where you're going to make more money, also months where you're going to make less money, but the aim is to always have a target and make sure that you're hitting that target. Again, YouTube is a business. You need to put in work into it. You can't just put out one video and expect that video to earn you $1 million or $1,000. You need to keep on doing that. You need to keep on doing that consistently. Okay, so what you give is what you receive. What you put in is what you get out of it. So the goal of this content is to give you guys a target and to make you guys work harder for it if that's something you want in return. Nothing good comes easy. YouTube is all about you, not us, okay? So you have to work hard for yourself and for your channel and for your business if that's the aim you're using YouTube for, your business basically. So everything is about you, your content, your ideas, your struggle, your money, everything. So it all boils down to you and what you're willing to do. No excuses, like I say. Yeah, that's about it in this video. If you guys still have questions regarding money, CPN, anything that sounds foreign to you, let me know down in the comment section. I actually filmed this video because someone asked me this question in my comment section. I think he asked, when would you be able to make money on YouTube, or when would you be able to start making money on YouTube? And I'm like, yeah, that's a good question. I'm going to film it and I'm going to talk about it in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. Do give me a thumbs up. That's how I know you guys enjoy this video, and that's how I also know you guys enjoy this type of videos, and that's how I know that I need to be making more of these videos as well. So I do have other videos relating to the YouTube algorithm, as well as growing on YouTube, and a video relating to how much I earned, how much YouTube paid me for a video with over 500,000 views. So if you're someone who is still interested in the money of it, making money on YouTube, how much you're going to make for a specific amount of views, then you definitely want to watch that video. I'll leave it over here so you guys can watch that video after this one. If you guys are ready, willing, interested, you want to go for it, you want to start a YouTube channel, then I'll leave my playlist over here as well as over here so you guys can watch all those videos and get yourself started with and really understand the business of YouTube and the creative and production aspect of YouTube as well. Subscribe to my channel, it is free. I'll definitely see you guys in one of these videos.